guys, about to test out the C200 with this amazing camera system. Let's get inside and give it a ride. Oh, the GLE, that's like you're flying a spaceship. It's got a massive cockpit over here. This one, I feel like I'm in a sort of Tesla maybe, except it's got a screen here, it's got two. It's a big iPad. Oh, hello. It locks, the seatbelt locks you in. That's pretty cool. I guess it's nice having a bit of differentiation. Maybe you can play with this one while I play with this one. But most importantly, what I want to do is go into parking. I learned this park. Look at that. I can see the camera. 360 degrees. That is sick. Come on. That is the coolest feature ever. And then, let me just see the volume control. There you go. And you get to choose if you want to exit. I want to exit to the right. And then, fucking button under the display. Engage forward gear. I'm figuring this out. There you go. So, I'm gonna let go of the brake.
Yeah.
I'll put my hands up. Please don't shoot me. And it's moving. There's a couple of obstacles over here. There's a car in front, and there's some pedestrians. It's aiming for that Jeep. It's turning. Is it possible to give it like an aggressive mode where it just comes out like a bad boy? Okay. So it reverses out. So it's pretty much, you know, it's ecological with its movements. Very, very slow. I probably should have just unparked it myself. Hey, Mercedes. Hey, Mercedes. Hey, Mercedes. Oh, you know what? There's a button here.
What do you want to do?
Navigate to Mercedes. Speeding. It's 60 right now.
I want to get home.
Yeah.
You sure it says 60 or 80?
It says 60.
On the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does say 60 there.
It says 60.
You're doing 66.
Slowing
65.
down. Everyone's going fast. Okay,
That's weird.
Ignore it. You know, there's something interesting. So the road is 70, but it thought it was only 60. It's now picked up that it's 70.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it only looks for the signs because it was on the road marking, but it has updated it to 70 now. I'm just going normal. It feels very comfortable to drive.
Look, it's turning.
It's turning. That is so cool. Oh, is it going to hit that car? Let's see.
Now he's saying, take
Put your
control.
hands.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so much more comfortable.
More
Like,
kick.
The kick.
Yeah. That's sick.
Oh, look at you.
So the camera works while it's running
Briefly.
because it doesn't want to distract you. Now you've gone too fast, so you can't. It doesn't work. It only when you slow down it shows it.
Oh, it does that thing as well.
So cool. That's so cool.
The engine
Look at
in.
this. You can see the
That is really
you can see the cars coming.
That's it. So smart. Isn't it?
It's gigantic, mate. Come on, look at that SUV. It's not really. It's just Hyundai.
Searching for a space, and
There's loads of spaces, by the way.
loads of spaces. So let's see what she comes up with.
They're confused.
Let's do this one. Here we go. So I'm going to go for this one, selecting it. This one.
Then press the P.
Press the P. Take my feet off the pedals and my hands off the steering wheel.
So,
She's actually doing it. She's actually going.
what was that? It parked. Oh, it's doing it.
It's doing it.
Okay.
For a minute, then I got scared.
There you go.
There we go. Bravo, Mercedes. Well done.
Alright guys, we're finally going to find out how much space you can fit in the boot of one of these Mercedes. So height-wise, we're looking at anything under 500 millimeters. However, there is, because there's no more wheels, there is more space you can put it down there. So if I move this out of the way, look at the dip. You get a few more height. Obviously, you need to find a place to put this. Maybe you can jam it in the front or just not have it in your car. And with this out the way, it's maybe, I'd say 550 is probably the lowest you can go. There is more space to go lower, but there isn't that much space to go inwards. So 500 is pretty much the height of the object, just under that. And length We need to move in the back seats. So once again, there's a button over here. Press that button. Seat goes down. Press the button here. Other seat gets ejected.
That's cool.
So lengthwise, let's see. So this is, we got around just 1,800, but that's with the seats right at the back. So I reckon you can go 1.9 at the most. So 1.9 by 5, just under 500 at the most. Do these seats go back up?
No, you have to manually push them up.
This is only a C class, so the seats have to be manually pushed back up. It's like a sexy car.
It was a smooth ride. Had oomph, it had kick, and it was like, just felt like a regular car, I think.
Oh, we've seen this view a million times. What was that? It popped. Oh, it's